Question number 8. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system with a diameter at the equator of 142,800 kilometers. Which digit is in the 10 times 1,000s place? Which digit is in the 10 times 1,000 place? 10 times 1,000 place. This is my number. I'm going to first plug this number into a place value chart, and I hope you did the same. If you didn't, I hope you're doing this with me on a piece of paper. I have my 100,000s, my 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. 142,800. Which digit is in the 10 times 1,000s place? Well, here's my thousands. And if I want to go 10 times that number, I want to go to a bigger place value. If I want to go 10 times bigger than my thousands place, I want to go to a bigger place value. And to go 10 times, to go bigger, I'm going to go to the left. That's your 10,000s. If it said 10 times smaller, you would go to the hundreds place value. You're going to go to the next smallest place value. So what digit is in my 10,000s place value? A 4. The correct answer is G.